Hi, I'm Paula from MeMakeyThings.com, and today I'm going to share with you the best cord for stretch bracelets. Now, you can use elastic thread, but the problem with this is that it's white and you can see your beads through it. So in order to do a bracelet like this, where you can't see the cord, you need to get something like this Stretch Magic. This is a brand that I use. You can find it at a lot of craft stores, but really any of the brands of this type of beading cord work very well. And you can get them at craft stores or bead shops. And I don't know how well you can see it in the camera there because it's translucent and clear, but it is a stretchy, elasticized plastic type cord as opposed to more of a thread type elastic, and you can't see that in your bracelet. So that is what I feel is the best kind of cord for a stretch bracelet. I'm Paula from MeMakeyThings.com. Have a great day.